Today in this video we'll be doing unboxing and features of one of our latest products which is developed to keep you safe from germs and viruses. This is UV disinfection lamp. This particular model is of 36 watts and comes with a microwave sensor which detects human presence and turn off automatically to keep you away from harm. The packaging of this product is very basic and rough. Because of lockdown we are low on resources, so we didn't want to spend those resources on the beautification of this packaging. First, let's see what information do we have on the box. This product is made in India, and on the front we have the wavelength of the ultraviolet rays, which is 253.7 nm, and the sterilization area, which is about 30 to 40 square meter. On the back it has dimensions of the product with some technical specification. So let's open the box and find out what's inside. As you can see, with the lamp you get this remote, and there are 4 buttons on this remote. 3 of them are for timer and 1 is power button. Now the lamp itself looks very beautiful and shiny, and this also has the same 4 buttons which were there on the remote control. The build quality of the lamp is also very good, though it is made out of plastic, but it does not feel like cheap plastic. Let's talk about the features of this model. This is a 36 watt model, and the biggest feature that it comes with is a microwave sensor which detects human presence. There are certain wavelengths of UV rays that can be harmful to humans. That is why we have installed this sensor in this product, so even if any human or any of your pets come in direct range, it turns off automatically. Now when you hit the power button, you will notice that it does not turn on right away. That is the second safety feature working, which is 15-second delay. You turn on the lamp from remote control or the lamp itself. After you push the power button, it will take 15 seconds to start working to give you time to move out of the way and let sterilization begin. The third feature, which can again be related to safety, is remote control. You can start or stop the lamp from a safe distance using this remote control. Last but not the least, we have 3 preset timers which can be accessed either from the lamp or the remote control. You can set these presets to 15 minutes, 30 minutes or 60 minutes.